Welcome to Colorado State University. Here at CSU, we do our very best to help every student be healthy, happy, and successful. As an enrolled student, you have full access to a wide range of medical, counseling, and health education and prevention services provided by CSU Health Network. Our medical services include primary care, immunizations, women's care, transgender care, psychiatry, optometry, dental, physical therapy, and more. We even have an on-campus pharmacy where you can get prescriptions and over-the-counter medications and supplies. At CSU, we know your mental health is just as important as your physical health. You can access a wide range of mental health support services, including individual counseling, therapy groups, skill-building workshops, online programs and resources, and more. To learn more about all of the available health and well-being services and how to access them, visit our website, health.colostate.edu. As part of our efforts to keep you and our campus healthy and safe, all new students must complete several health requirements. Step 1. Submit your immunization records. Step 2. Complete important health forms. Step 3. Fulfill the health insurance requirement. Step 4. Consider RamCare Supplement Program. Step 5. Complete online modules. And Step 6. Create a You at CSU profile. Let's take a closer look at these requirements, starting with immunizations. Your immunization records are medical documents showing all of the vaccinations you have received. Colorado law requires all students to have 2 doses of the measles, mumps, and rubella shots, also called the MMR vaccines. Colorado law also requires students living on campus in a residence hall to submit proof of the meningococcal ACWY vaccine, also known as the meningitis vaccine, given within the last 5 years. You must upload a scanned copy or picture of your official immunizations record in the online CSU Student Health Portal. The portal is your online connection to your personal electronic health record. Detailed instructions on how to upload your immunization records can be found online at health.colostate.edu/new student checklist. The deadline to submit your official immunization records is the first day of classes. If you don't meet the deadline, a hold will be placed on your student account for next semester's registration until you submit your records. Next, you need to complete important health forms. The first form is the tuberculosis assessment that contains a series of questions about your possible exposure to tuberculosis. Next is the health history form that helps your doctors and other medical providers better understand your health concerns and conditions. The third form, authorization for treatment of a minor, only applies if you will be arriving at CSU before you are 18 years of age. Both the tuberculosis assessment and the health history form need to be completed online in the CSU Student Health Portal. Detailed instructions on how to complete these important health forms can be found online at health.colostate.edu/new student checklist. The information you submit in these forms remains private. Your medical providers will not share this information with others. If you will be arriving at CSU before you turn 18 years of age, be sure to have a parent or guardian complete the authorization for treatment of a minor form and return the completed form to the CSU Health Network Medical Records Department. You can find the form and more information online at health.colostate.edu/new student checklist. The deadline to complete these important health forms is the same deadline as your immunization records, the first day of classes. Step 3 is to fulfill the health insurance requirement. To help protect your educational investment, all full-time domestic students and all international students must carry active health insurance that meets CSU, state, and federal requirements. You can meet this requirement in one of 2 ways: by enrolling online in the CSU-sponsored Student Health Insurance Plan, also known as SHIP, or by opting out of CSU's plan by providing proof of a comparable private health insurance plan. Note that both options for completing this requirement must be done online. Detailed information about how to complete the health insurance requirement, including a step-by-step video, can be found online at health.colostate.edu/new student checklist. The deadline to complete the health insurance requirement is the same day as the university add drop date, midway through the third week of classes. Make sure you take action online to complete this requirement. If you do not take action by the deadline, your student account will be charged for the cost of enrollment in the CSU Student Health Insurance Plan. We cannot issue refunds or reversals after the deadline. Remember, all students have full access to services, regardless of your health insurance plan. CSU Health Network has contracts with most major insurance carriers, which means we can file claims with your insurance company for the medical services you receive. To learn more about how health insurance works at CSU Health Network, visit health.colostate.edu/health insurance. The next step to consider is the RamCare Supplement Program. RamCare is a supplement to your private health insurance that can help cover your out-of-pocket costs, such as copays, coinsurance, and deductible costs for services provided by CSU Health Network. To learn more about RamCare, including benefits, costs, and enrollment dates, visit health.colostate.edu/RamCare. Next, you must complete 2 required online modules, Alcohol EDU and Sexual Assault Prevention. These online modules help all students start at CSU with information about safety, making responsible choices, and taking care of your fellow students. You can access both online modules about 30 days before classes start through your RAM web account. The deadline to complete Alcohol EDU and Sexual Assault Prevention online modules is the first day of classes. If you don't meet the deadline, a hold will be placed on your student account for next semester's registration. The last step is to create a You at CSU profile. You at CSU is an online student success portal that connects you to online and on-campus resources that help you make the most of your college experience. You at CSU is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The information you enter and your activity on the site remains confidential. The more honest you are, the more helpful this resource will be to you. You can access You at CSU through your RAM web account or at u.colostate.edu. Once you complete these online requirements, you're all set and on the path to being a happy, healthy, and successful CSU RAM. And remember, CSU Health Network is your home for healthcare at CSU. You have full access to all of the medical and counseling services offered by CSU Health Network in the on-campus CSU Health and Medical Center. There are doctors, nurses, and other providers to care for you when you are sick. There are counselors and therapists to help when you are sad, stressed, or troubled. We are so glad to have you at CSU. Never hesitate to call or visit us. We are here to help and support you. To learn more about CSU Health Network, visit us online at health.colostate.edu or call 970-491-7121.